A groundbreaking medical device, the Artificial Multi-Organ Replacement System, AMOR, demonstrated remarkable success in rescuing patients from multi-organ failure caused by acute-on-chronic liver failure in a 10-patient pilot clinical trial. Developed by the University of Washington, the device, led by co-authors Dr. Suhail Ahmad and Dayong Gao, cleared toxins in the blood that accumulate with liver failure and effectively removed excess body fluid. The AMOR system combines the functions of multiple organs, such as the kidney, liver, lungs, and heart, and shows potential for broader use in hospitals, ICUs, rural clinics, and homes.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.